know I said some things I shouldn't have said. But I was just angry. Upset. You know how close I am to this movie deal. I mean, they know about my dancing, but those pictures... You don't want to mess up my chance for stardom. Do you, baby? What do you say? You bring over those prints and we can... make up.
Hey, we got a problem. A big problem. The mayor's trying to make a name for himself. Sticking his nose where it don't belong. He's looking into allegations of police bribery. What do you say?
You bear the mark. You are cursed. You must place your hand upon the stone.
This can't be happening.
Believe me, I don't have 3 fingers.
Double points!
I felt kind of indestructible when I was like that. There's something very strange about this key.
The summoning key is the most powerful artifact in this or any other dimension. They are coming. They have already corrupted this world with their twisted malfeasance. You are chosen. You are marked. You are cursed.
This can't be happening.
Is a room of secrets. Do you know how to be done?
Not a clue. It sure is creepy. Hey, I found a fountain pen. Maybe I can use it to pick a lock. Is this the interdimensional beings we've been hearing about?
We must hurry. The keepers seek to hasten the collapse of the dimensions.
Woo! It's got a little kick to it.
Insta-kill! Ritual has begun.
Nightmare. It has to be. You down there, please. Do something. Help me.
Back it up there, wandering hand. What am I supposed to do with this?
The worm must be taken to the sacred place. Only then will you have the means to repel the unearthly horde.
Oh, right.
4
That makes
must
sense.
be collected. Only then can we prevent the destruction of your...
I just realized. What if one time I don't change back? I never worked the Ruby Rabbit myself, but I know a lot of cops love to hang out there. Are these guys gonna show up every time we pick something up?
Who locked us in? What do they want?
Your world, as it was, is curious, precipitously wrenched from its rightful place. Many of the souls who inhabited it have succumbed to the darkness. They are echoes of themselves,
guess. I get a cold shiver down my spine every time that happens.
The Ruby Rabbit. Each of you knows this place. What does it mean to you?
What?
Your sacrifice.
Freeze!
These guys again?
Please! Let this be free! Help me!
What the hell is that? Why are you making so much noise? Is it because I'm shooting you? You want an aspirin or something? I thought I'd seen everything. I think I found his weakness. Is it dead?
Double points.
Make hay while the sun shines. Don't you dare even look at me wrong. Oh, you're gonna be sorry. Wanna tussle?
Only by invoking the beast can you find the items you need. You must explore unexplored. You have blood on your hands. It cannot be cleansed. Your sins are no way.
Am I okay? Is everything normal? It's doing something.
Double points.
Give me the money. Is this gonna be worth the effort it takes to carry around? Oh shit! Now what? This should keep me going. If only for a little longer. Back to my old self. And everything's still as messed up as it was before.
The boxing gym. Is this room familiar? Your sacrifice has been chosen.
I just have to hold them off.
What the hell's going on? What happened?
how you like this. Maybe you're hiding something good inside. At least that saves me the trouble. This isn't regular gum. What makes you feel different? Go me, I guess. I recognize this rug anywhere, Mr. No-Hair Big Shot Studio Man. Oh shit! Now what? I'm about to deliver a serious ass-kicking. You don't scare me. Get fresh with me, Buster. I think I can feel something. Don't even look at me. I'll just give you a little squirt of this. See what happens. See how you like this.
The burlesque. More than any other place in this city, your paths have crossed here. Your sacrifice has
What
been
is it? Felicity! I'm not going down without a fight! Please! You gotta help me! Please, help me!
Now I know what it's like only because and how people I'm tired from that. Sword in my side and a pain in my ass. Island, you don't scare me. More of them. You'll be on your back. I've had to sit out as much as I can take. Hey, wandering hands. I'm in the mood to pick a fight. Maybe you're hiding something good inside. don't quite remember what happened. Did anyone see what I did?
Double points!
I take it that's a good thing. I'll just give you a little squirt of this. And we'll see what happens.
Why did you kill?
What? Kill who? This is what it gets? I sure hope not. This will always remind me of when my dad met my first boyfriend. That was a fucking disaster. I'll just give you a little squirt of this. And we'll see what happens. We'll take all the help we can get. Once again, I have no choice but to resort to violence. See how you like this. I am loaded up.
Complete the ritual. The Gayworm's energy must be released.
Okay, I guess this goes here. Okay, I guess this goes here. Don't you dare lay a hand on me! I'm gonna set you down right here. No.
I can only help you if you confess. Only through acceptance can the mark be removed.
Close? You guys really stink.
Your service to the overlords is appreciated. Our double points. Now, proceed.
Are you fucking kidding me? Is that it? Are we like completely doomed now? Maybe go annoy someone else? dropping everything. Looks like that killed most of them. Are those meteors? I don't think those are meteors. How about that? Free ammo!
You must confess.
He had what was coming to him. He was blackmailing me. I couldn't let him ruin my one chance, the big time. Besides, he was a piece of shit. I hope that wasn't poison. Just so you know, we're shooting more than steer here. This isn't gonna end well for someone. The rules are no touching! So nimble on my feet. Sellout show tonight, huh? Maybe you're hiding something good inside. This isn't ordinary. Creeps, do this one more time! I'm gonna flip my wig! Couldn't live without me, huh?